How do you do? Cause I'm feeling so good.
What is up, Homo sapiens? Welcome back to the vlog. I've just learned how to spin a pillow on my hand, so thought I'd show yous. Here's a sneak peek of what's to come in today's vlog. Bubble teas. Let's see yours, Halima.
Oh, he's done it! He is in!
This is water. When I drop it like this, waterfall.
Welcome to vlog number 3. So today we're in the Metro Centre. It's empty everywhere and then full outside all the shops. And the Primark queue has about, would you say, like 200 people in it? Maybe more, about 300 people in it. Takes up the whole middle space of the Metro Centre. So yeah, I think we're gonna dip out of here and go somewhere else in Newcastle because it's just dead. But first we need to find out how to get back to the car.
Usually you would literally be bumping into every Tom, Dick and Harry here.
So where else do you want to go next?
Toro's
We
food.
want to go to Toro's and get some food from somewhere in Newcastle.
I don't know what they're called. But you know what? I don't even know if they're open. Let me check.
So we're trying to find out where the bubble tea is.
Mobo.
So we finally made it to the bubble tea location, Mubu. So we've just ordered our bubble teas, but it's way too hot inside there, so just waiting outside for now. And now we've got our bubble teas. Let's see yours, Halima. Oh, very nice. It says Merry Christmas, not sure why. So now we're going to go back to the car and we're going to go get some food. Yeah. So we're currently in New Herrington, going for a walk while my car gets MOT'd, and the road looks slightly Mexican. So we decided we're going to go get some Mexican food.
Oh, did we?
I think so.
Oh, burrito.
I'm going to get some burritos. What does he look like?
Mater.
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 He's even got the eyes. So we rode our bikes down to the beach today, parked them up, locked them up, and then came for a walk. It's such a nice day, 21 degrees.
This is what I mean, look. Like a stone wall. It's just... Oh no, that's so freaking cute. Whoever made this, they're probably old as well. Come on, let's do it. Let's be the old couple that love each other. Okay, that's enough.
Yep.
Let's get a beach house. They've got like the cute little succulent plants.
Succulent.
Yeah, that's what these ones are called, succulent plants.
Ah. So we've decided to come down the back streets because it was very, very busy on the actual seafront. Yes, so it's a lot more relaxing around here. So we're going to make our way home. Had a nice time at the beach. So we came back to the beach again, and fair to say it's a little bit busier than last time. Morrison's trolley. highlight of Sunderland. And yeah, a very, very busy day today. 27 degrees. So what do you think's better, the Sunderland Beach or Barnes Park?
Ooh, Sunderland Beach pubs. You don't get that here. The beach the park has so many like trees and stuff that hides the sun.
That's
and
true.
The beach is very open for the sun. And
Well-
you've got the pretty cliffs over there, and we find dead crabs, and we find, where was the dead pigeon?
That was in Herrington.
Oh yeah, we found a dead pigeon, and you get to see the jet ski people here,
And we're going to come back tomorrow, and what we're going to do.
and we're gonna go in the water because we're gonna be prepared. And I'm gonna bring my water shoes.
Water
Some-
shoes.
Yeah, my shoes that we bought for Algeria.
Ah.
They're water shoes, so you can just walk in with shoes on, but they're not real shoes. But they are.
Oh.
But they're not. But they are.
So we are here right now. The car is parked there. Oh, we haven't even walked that far really. And we go to uni there.
So Mr. Harrower here has decided to go all the way in, up to his neck. Let's see if he can do it. Ooh, it's so cold, guys. You don't even understand. Yep, that's a good technique. Splash the water on yourself and see. Do it. Oh, he's done it. He is in. My husband is nothing but ahead. Look at him, he looks like where's he gone? Oh my god, guys, it's big today. My god. It is cold.
You see this? This is a cup. You see this? My knee. Knee cup. This is water. When I drop it like this, waterfall.